wet. What is it? Jack, are you just a bunch of crazy flakes? I'll get you. Gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Ow! I'm evil. Ow! Stop it! I'm used to on the sport. Ow! Don't evil! Ah! God! Ow! No! Stay out here. Stay out here. Okay, she's behind the door now. Jack, you want your crazy pig? Nope, stay out there. You're wet. You're gonna get the whole house wet. Ah! Woo! Evil demon little chihuahua. You can't go inside. You will get the entire house soaked with your fur. Oh my, oh Lord. Jack, are you just so happy? I'm gonna get you. Ah! I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you! Come here! Hi! Jack. Hey, Jackie, are you a bunch of crazy flakes? Are you a bunch of crazy flakes? Do you like peanut butter? He does this after every bath. Jack, bunch of crazy flakes. Hello. Say hi. Hey, you say hi. Say hi. Say hi, Jack. Hello. Jackie, are you good? Come on, Jack. Hey. Hey. Are you a good boy? Would you like a treat? Would you like a treat? Oh, never mind. Let's continue to do that. Woo!